Hi, I ordered this item and here it is. Now I'm going to unbox this and see the items inside. First, I think this is the manual. So let me put this here. And you know this, of course. First one that I see is this one. It's plastic because what I ordered is plastic. Next is this gel, definitely, which I have to immerse in water so that it would expand and becomes bullets. Oops, so for some bullets came off there. So here's the third item. This is first, second, third. What else? Okay, I see this. I'm not familiar yet with the items. I mean with the parts of the item. I'm going to explore everything next time, but for now this is just unboxing to show you what are the parts of this item. There's another one. And this one. So that's another one. Definitely a strap. Now wrapped in this bubble bag are these items. First one is it's goggles. Of course, to protect the eyes. It looks like a silencer. This one, I think, is another handle for the gun. And there's a USB charger. These are bullets. Okay. I think just like this one, but different in color. Another item. More likely this is the power supply. And this thing, I don't know why there's this empty bottle. I'll figure this out later. Let me put them back. I'll upload another video that shows me assembling or putting all these parts together Okay, so those are the items that are inside this plastic bubble or bubble bag. And next one is this. It's also inside the plastic bubble bag. Obviously, this is the butt end, right? You need to position it against your shoulder. So against one shoulder. And there's another one inside the plastic. I have no idea the function of this, but like what I said, I'm showing you everything, all the parts that are included in the box. And I see another instruction manual, how to put all those parts together. This is in English, and also, so here's the steps to assemble the item. So you have using steps, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 steps to do in order to have this whole thing, which is an M4S high-speed electric burst. Oh, so more steps. So this is step 1 up to 8 on this page. On the back side of the paper, we have step 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 steps. There are 13 steps to do in order to assemble this part, this item. And lastly, the main thing. There's some more left inside. There's some more part or small item left inside. And this is the biggest of all, or the largest. Let me show you how this looks like. It's kind of heavy. It's pretty heavy. Oh, not really. My arm is weak. My left arm is weaker than my right, but it's not really that heavy. So here it is. So there. Thank you for watching. I'll upload content on how to put all these parts together to create the whole thing, or to have the whole thing. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.